It is time to update the Robinhood portfolio with the stock that you voted on in last week's video. Let's jump in. What's up everyone, I'm Brad. Welcome to the Money Dad channel. In this video we are going to update our community Robinhood portfolio with the stock that you voted on in last week's video in this video series. So if you are new to the channel, new to this video series, basically I have a Robinhood portfolio. I put $100 into it every week and I put stocks down in the comments of those videos for you to go and hit that like button next to the stock that you think I should buy that week. So if you haven't done so yet, go down to the comments of this video and hit that like button next to whichever stock you want me to buy. Whichever stock gets the most likes on that video is the stock that I buy the following week. I put $100 of my own money into this portfolio. Every week I buy the stock that you pick. So let's take a look at what we're going to buy this week. Alright, so I got last week's video pulled up. Let's scroll down to the comments. Let's take a look. We got a lot more likes this week than we did last week. This series is starting to grow a little bit. So let's see. We got votes for Apple, Tesla, Facebook, AMD, NEO, QQQ, Carnival Corporation, and that is it. So we have a lot more votes, a lot more different stocks getting votes. But still, for the third week in a row, we have the same problem. All of these stocks got the same number of votes, one vote. So every single week, if we have a tie for first place, I am going to be the tiebreaker. I don't place a vote. I keep it for the tiebreaker. So looking at this list of stocks, I'm going to say, Apple we already have in the portfolio. Actually, you know what? Let me show you the portfolio real quick so you get an idea. We have $300 in, well, $319 because we have some appreciation on our positions. So we have $100 in buying power. That's the money that we're about to spend. We have $100 in Tesla, $100 in Apple, and then these two shares right here are just these little stocks that I got from you guys using my referral link down below to create Robinhood accounts. If you sign up for Robinhood, you get a free stock, I get a free stock, we both win, and it's all a good thing. So I really like Robinhood for the beginner investor. It's so user friendly. Look at the GUI that you're looking at on the screen. It's super easy and simple. It's just slimmed down. There's nothing too crazy going on. So I really like it for the beginner investor. If you're just getting into investing, I love Robinhood. I think it's a great choice to get into. So that's where the portfolio is at right now. We got our $100 ready to buy whatever we vote on. So like I was saying, we have a lot of different choices with one vote each. So I have to be the tiebreaker here. So I just showed you that we already have Apple in the portfolio. We have Tesla in the portfolio. Amazon didn't get any votes. Google didn't get any votes. Facebook got one vote. Microsoft, nothing. AMD, I already have a trade position open on AMD. I am long AMD. Don't have any NEO. I do have a lot in QQQ in my other portfolio, and I don't have any Carnival. So really, out of all of these stocks, the only thing that I don't own yet is Facebook, NEO, and Carnival, and of those I think I'm gonna go with Facebook. I just like it. It's a big company. They own Instagram and WhatsApp. They have lots of different revenue streams. So I'm going to be the tiebreaker here and choose Facebook. So let's go buy $100 worth of Facebook. Let me show you how easy this is. I'm going to type in, you could type in Facebook or its ticker FB. Click on it. You can see it's trading at $275 right now. We have $100 to invest in it. That's okay. You don't have to have $275 to invest in Facebook, because with Robinhood you can buy fractional shares. You can just invest however much money you have. So we're going to put $100 here into Facebook, and we're going to get 0.36 shares, so about a third of a share of Facebook. We hit that buy button and we are all done. Alright, so let's go back to the portfolio. Let's take a look. We have, you can see over here, probably hasn't bought the shares yet. Let's just hit the refresh button and see if it gets our shares. It might take a second to buy those shares or to place that order. So okay, we updated and you can see we have our 0.36 shares of Facebook. So we've got $300 invested now. The portfolio is up to $319. So we have made $19 in this portfolio on $300 invested, and really we were at that before we even invested that last $100. So we made $19 on $200 invested, which if you round up to 20 on 200 is a 10% return. We've only had this account for like 2 weeks, so 10% return on in 2 weeks is pretty astounding, and most of that is due to these free shares that I got from you guys signing up. And I already said, if you sign up, you get a free stock. So it's free money. You get a $5 stock, get a $100 stock. It's random, but it is free money. So hit that referral link down below if you don't have a Robinhood account yet, because you're passing up free money if you don't, right? So okay, so we have the money invested, and go down to the comments if you haven't yet. If you're still watching this video, if you've made it this far, go down to the comments and vote on which stock you want me to buy next week. I'm going to delist any stock that does not get any votes going forward. Okay, I will add the stocks that you guys recommend, like down here, Fuel Cell, Carnival, those kinds of stocks. Those are going to get added to this week's list, and any stock that doesn't get any votes is going to be taken off. So we will just kind of keep updating this list so that it is as current for you guys as possible. Whatever you want to see on this list, whatever you're voting on, that's what's going to be on the list. Okay, guys, so go down to the comments, vote on whatever you like, and if you've made it this far in the video and you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button. I've got lots of stock price prediction videos as well on this channel where I do stock chart pattern analysis. I think you'll like that a lot. And then I do this series where I update a Robinhood portfolio once a week with the stocks that you guys vote on. All right, so that's all I've got for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Hit that like button if you made it this far and you haven't hit it yet. Please do so, and remember to go down to the comments and hit that like button next to whatever stock you want me to buy, okay? I'll see you guys in the next one.